All right, so this video is how to make an artist palette for a Modibot. And I'm going to use something a little bit different. Instead of basic shapes, there's these things called shape generators. And I'm going to go to the featured one. All has a ton inside of it. Featured has some good basics. So this first one is called extrusion. It may look like a cylinder when you first pull it out. Nothing special about it. I'm going to zoom into it. But if you click this down, you'll see you can actually change this shape of the cylinder. So let's say I did want that artist palette. It's kind of like a moon shape. You can just push this in. You can use these to kind of rotate the piece a little further. You can sort of fiddle with this and get it to look like an artist palette. Looks pretty good there. It's much too thick, so now I'm going to take this and crush it down. Just so it's sturdy, I'll make it 3 millimeters. Then I'll need to go back to basic shapes. I'm going to cut out a little thumb hole. So here's a cylinder hole. I'm going to make this much smaller. I'm going to go all the way down to 2 by 2. Lift this over. This is just using the arrow keys. I'm going to zoom in. I can't see it. It's inside of here. Change my view so I can see this. I'm going to hold down Control and press up. Here it is. I'm just going to submerge it a little tiny bit in there. Try to get it centered in this area so it looks like a good spot. Whoops. That happens a lot if it's too small. I'm going to go back a step, zoom in. I'm going to click where there's no buttons and just position this right over here. Now when I join these two together, select join. Now there's a little hole there for the thumb. Now for this to hold into the Modibot hand, I want to attach this cylinder to it. I want to make this one 4 by 4. Standard measurement to fit into the hand. But I don't need this giant baton. This measurement, the height, I'm going to change this to 7. Enter. And now I'm going to lift this and stick it on top of here. So now I'll zoom in just a little tiny bit. Again, when you're doing these views, make sure you're not looking like this at it or you're too far away. I like clicking on the corners like this so you can see what you're doing. I'm going to lift this up. I'm going to try 7. I think that will work. Slide it over. And I just want this to be connected. So go to the flat view down here. Hit the cube on its side. Make sure this looks like it's touching. It is. It's in about the right spot. When I print this out now, this orange piece is gonna slide into the Modibot hand, and this is gonna be the artist palette with a little thumb hole right over here. To make it all one solid piece, click, drag, select all the pieces, group them together, and now it's ready to print.